So welcome to the map practice from Physical Features of India. I hope you are ready with the map. If you are ready with the map, it is probably easier to locate. Now, which are the places to locate? These places have been suggested by the CBSE, so only these places will appear in the exam. We will have 4 maps and I'll tell you about which are the places that you're going to locate. Please locate only these places. In mountain ranges, we are going to locate Karakoram, Zaskar range and the Shivalik range, Aravali, Vindhya, Satpura, Western and Eastern Ghats. In mountain peaks, we are going to locate K2, Kanchenjunga and Aneimudi. In plateaus, we are going to locate Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Malwa Plateau. In coastal plains, we are going to locate Konkan Coast, Malabar Coast, Coromandel Coast and Northern Sarkar. Now why delay? Let's begin with the first map, that is mountain ranges. Now you can see I have already taken the map. If you have the political map or an outline map, it will work out. All you have to do is locate these places. Now let's go for the first one, that is Karakoram. Now you can see the Karakoram range here, right? Karakoram. Perhaps I'll use a different color pen. Right? A range. It is a range. So please locate in a line so that it is a range. It is not a single place. Then comes the Zaskar range. We'll see the Zaskar range here. Then the Shivalik. Now Shivalik is here. The Aravali, right? Aravali is here, already located. Vindhya, right? Vindhya is here. This is Vindhya range. Satpura, this is Satpura range. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. They are pretty much very easy to locate, right? I hope if you have any problems, you can come back to this point of the video and you can locate. Let's go to the next one. The next one is about the mountain peaks. We are going to locate K2, Kanchenjunga and Aneimudi. You can see Mount K2 here, right? You can see Kanchenjunga in Sikkim. Here it is, Kanchenjunga. And you can see Aneimudi in the Western Ghat. Right? Mountain peaks K2, Mount K2, Kanchenjunga and Aneimudi. Let's go to the next one. We are going to locate plateaus. We are going to locate the Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Malwa Plateau. You can see first one we are going to locate the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is a big area. It's not a small area. Deccan Plateau is a big area, so you have to locate whole of this area as Deccan Plateau area. Right? It's a big one. The Malwa Plateau you are seeing here, the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The plateaus are not a single place, so you have to locate them using bigger portions, right? I'll go again for a different color so that it is now Deccan Plateau, right? Chota Nagpur Plateau and Malwa Plateau, right? Now let's move on to the last map, that is the coastal plains. In here we are going to locate Konkan Coast, Malabar Coast, Coromandel Coast and the Northern Sarkar. First we will come to the Konkan Coast. The Konkan Coast is the Maharashtra and the Goan coast. Right? Maharashtra and Goan coast is the Konkan Coast. Then comes the Malabar Coast. The Malabar coast is completely Kerala. The middle one is obviously the Kannada coast or the Canara coast. Then you can go for Coromandel. Now Coromandel is already located here. Malabar is also located. This is Coromandel coast, right? Now the Northern Sarkar. Northern Sarkar, to the north side we call it as Northern Sarkar. Right? Now when you locate, you have to locate complete area. Complete area you have to locate, so that it is not just a part, remember. Now these are the map exercises you have to locate in 4 different maps. Locating in a single map won't be good looking and won't be um, legible also. It will not be good. So I hope you will do it in 4 maps separately, and I think if you do not have the map you will draw and do it. So that's all folks with the maps. Thanks for watching. As always, subscribe, like and share the video so that rest of them can watch. So thank you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next part and the next video. Till then, see you, take care.